Hi everyone, class 9 students. Today we are going to see 6.1 exercise, question number 6. In the question number 6, they have not given any figure. Number தான் வந்து diagram வரையணும். So in the given data it is given as angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree. Let us keep that aside. Just read it. XY is produced to P. Line XY is there. It is produced to P. So we have 3 points. XY is the line which is produced extended to P. Now you can see QY bisects angle ZYP. The given data itself they have mentioned QYP. Let me draw the Y ray here. If you want, you can also draw above. So angle XYZ will give 64 degree. Now YQ bisects ZYP. Here we have ZYP, right? So the ray YQ will bisect. What does mean by bisect? In the angle it will divide equally. It will divide. So let me keep it XX. Okay, bisect in the sense it is dividing equally. So YQ is the ray which divides this angle equally. It means in the pakamo we get the same value. Now we are asked to find angle XYQ and also angle QYP. We can easily find QYP if you found this. So just the same property, sum of all linear angles is 180. We all know this is all linear angles. So let me add angle XY Z plus angle ZYQ plus angle QYP is equal to 180 degree. XYZ will give 64 as the answer that is given. It is given as 64 degree plus ZYQ is also X, that is unknown value. QYP is also X because these both angles are equal because QY bisects this angle. இப்போ ஆட் பண்ணால் நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? X plus X is equal to 2X is equal to 180. 2X is equal to 180 minus 64 is, what you will get? 116. So X is equal to 116. 2 in the pakam vanduchna it will become divide. 2 5s are 8s are 58 degree. So iduvo 58 degree, ingiyum 58 degree. Now what is the asked angle? Angle XYQ. Where is angle XYQ? XYQ நம்மளுக்கு தேவைனா we should add XYZ and ZYQ. அப்பதான் we get this angle. இந்த ரெண்டு angle add பண்ணா we get this angle. So what is this angle? 64. What is this angle? 58. If you add we get 122 degree. So the pending angle is QYP, that we already know because QYP is equal to ZYQ is equal to 58 degree. Now you can check the answer by adding everything. 64 plus 122 will give, we should give 58 plus 122 should give 180 degree. Successfully this is forming a straight line. I hope you understood. Just simple given line YQ bisects ZYP. It means the YQ இந்த பக்கம் இருக்கிற angle same, இந்த பக்கம் இருக்கிற angle same because it bisects. It means it divides equally. So by sum of all angles we are just adding everything and finding the X value. The X value will be equal on the both the angles and then the given angle we are finding very easily. XYQ கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா XYZ யும் YZQ யும் add panna we get xy is xyq, and then qyp is the found value 54. I hope you understood.